Alright, today we're going to be changing wheel bearing on a 07 Chevy Tahoe. In order to get the front wheel bearing off with the wheel already off, you have to take off this lug nut, this axle nut. You can't get it off unless, you got to get off unless you do it with the wheel on. But I usually get a screwdriver, shove it into the wheel vent right here, but on the other side, get it real nice and tight. So on this one it's actually a 35 mil, but I think this 36 may fit. Not the, oh yeah, 36. It fits on there a little loose, but the reason you put the screwdriver here is so keeps it from spinning. That, not me. Now this one wasn't on here tight enough. Well, might be good enough. Little washer. Where's the axle? Take the brakes back off. Well, I already had them off. You don't have to do the caliper, just the bracket. So now you're gonna have to get this guy off, but first you got to get this ABS sensor off, which is an Allen 3/16. Now we need to get this bolt, that bolt. I think there's only 3. Yeah, and one over here. We need to get those off in order for this to come out. I guess I turned it sideways. Now I can reach. $15 mil. Alright. I can grab this one. Now we just gotta hit it with a hammer. We've got the new part. Make sure this is semi-clean. Got a quick Google search. So your axle nut is 177 foot-pounds. The caliper bracket is 80 foot-pounds. The lug nut's about 140. The hub, the 3 bolts to hold the hub, those are 65 foot-pounds. Oh, a little lip goes inside there. There we go. Yes. It's through here. This guy back on. Oh, anybody wondering that the hub bolts are 15 7/8. To 18. I'm just gonna send it. Caliper bracket's 80 foot-pounds. It doesn't feel like it. Alright, since this one came with it, I'm just gonna go ahead and change the cord out. $600 foot-pounds. Joking. That's back on. This is on. Torqued. I'll torque this one. Don't forget your washer. $177. Well, my torque wrench only goes to 150, so I'm gonna hit 150, 160. Then I'm just gonna hit it with the breaker bar even more. Come on there. Yeah, that's a bad bitch. I don't care what anybody says. So don't forget to torque your lug nuts. I already did off camera to 140. I just went ahead and did 150 just to send it, just to know you're not going to hurt it. Just the next guy's going to have to hit it a little bit harder. I mean, that's your process of doing it. I mean, I had and didn't have some tools, so it made it a little difficult for me. But it's all on how we, I mean, anybody can do this. You're just gonna have to piece some tools together, especially you're working on a 4x4. Everything's gonna be on there. It's worked a lot higher. You're gonna need a bunch of half-inch drive stuff, and you really can't use much 3/8 because you're just gonna end up breaking. So yeah, thanks for hanging me. Thanks for following me on this journey on saving money. and have an awesome 2021. Hopefully I get a whole bunch of cool stuff in the works. All right.